customer management is something that we are all concerned to know what can be the additional secret anecdotes that can be implemented. I'll give a 5-minute presentation on customer management and then we will go to the entrepreneurs. Okay, friends, the top 4 most valued brands in the world is Amazon, Apple, Google, and Microsoft. We are all used to these products and these brands. We use them absolutely regularly. And these are the 4 most valued brands in the world. So friends, one question is, what makes them so valuable or so special? It is very interesting to note that their common secret ingredient is nothing but customer management. And that's what we are going to be discussing today as our topic. The key elements of customer management is very interesting to understand. One is, when we manage a customer, we need to help the customer with the product selection. That is step number 1. Step number 2 is how we can improve our services during the transaction of the customer and the product or service that you own. There is a very interesting Amazon case study on YouTube, which you should definitely go and have a look. The third step is convenience. What is the kind of convenience that you create, not only during the transaction, but also after the transaction is done? Friends, when we offer a product, there are some tips that we need to be careful and aware about. Like, for example, gap. We need to identify a pain point in the market, and our product and service needs to be a solution to that pain point or that gap. We need to collaborate. We need to find avenues where our product can piggyback on an established bank, company, or a established brand. We need to understand collaboration is the fastest way to expand your vision, to expand your revenues, to expand your business, and to expand your geography also. And that's the reason we need to always collaborate for growth. That is the fastest way to growth. The last point is lookout. We should always be on the lookout for new trends, and we need to be the trend setter in the industry or the sector that we operate in. Friends, let me share some service tips. Be there for your customers when they need to express themselves. This is a very important point. Be there for your customers when they need to express themselves. Be clear in communication and stick to communication deadlines. Your customer is monitoring every move that you do. So you need to be clear in communication and stick to communication details. Focus on converting the issue into a pleasant, memorable experience. Every interaction that you do with the customer needs to be absolutely memorable and an experience for the customer that he remembers and refers you to the people. Some convenience tips. Focus on a 360 degrees convenience, right from product selection, payment, delivery to post-delivery services. We need to adapt to e-commerce if we have not done so. Whatever the level of technology we had 3 months back, we need to have 3 to 10 times more efficient today, because everything is going to be technology assisted. So we need to get adapted to technology. We need to get into big time for e-commerce. We need to set up an intuitive customer experience so that this helps us in our business going forward.